You know what's funny? The people who say YouTube is saturated are the same ones who've never uploaded a single video. And those who complain, I don't have a good camera, my face isn't camera-friendly, or I don't even know how to edit, are the same ones binge-watching creators who make thousands of dollars monthly, without ever showing their face. So today, no fluff, no hype, I'm going to walk you through exactly how Faceless YouTube works, how you can start even if you're a total beginner, and how people are building full-time incomes doing this quietly from their rooms. Let's begin. Let's get real for a second. I was like you, watching tons of YouTubers online, wondering how they do it, but every time I tried to start, I hit a wall. 1. Didn't want to show my face. 2. Didn't have a mic or camera. 3. Felt like an imposter. Then I discovered something that changed the game. There's a whole world of faceless YouTube creators, people you never see, but they're out there making content and making money. So today, I'm sharing step-by-step how it works. Step 1. Understanding the faceless model. Faceless doesn't mean fake. It means you're building a brand that isn't based on your personality or appearance. Instead, it's based on 1. Information. 2. Entertainment. 3. Voiceovers. 4. Graphics. 5. Stock videos. 6. AI-generated content. And trust me, this model works better for scalability. You can even run multiple faceless channels once you know the process. Step 2. Choose a profitable niche that doesn't need you on camera. Now here's the secret. Not every niche fits faceless content, but here are the best. 1. Top 10/fact-based channels. 2. Motivation/life advice. 3. Make money online/AI tools. 4. Relaxing music/sleep sounds. 5. Tech tutorials or unboxings. 6. Storytelling/horror/crime. Pick a niche that matches your interest or something you can research easily. Step 3. What you actually need to start. Here's where most people overthink and quit. You don't need a fancy camera or mic. You need 1. Script writing. Use your brain plus ChatGPT. 2. Voiceover. Use free AI tools like TTS MP3, 11 Labs, or Play HT3. Video editor. Use CapCut, Canva, or InVideo. No editing skills needed. 4. Footage. Get stock footage from Pexels, Pixabay, or screen recordings. 5. Thumbnail. Design in Canva using templates. 6. Free background music from YouTube, Audio Library, or Pixabay. If you have a basic phone or laptop and internet, you're ready to go. Step 4. Content strategy that works in 2025. Okay, content is king, but content strategy is the real emperor. Here's what to focus on. 1. Make videos on searchable topics. 2. Use tools like Answer the Public, Google Trends, or even YouTube auto-suggestions. 3. Create at least 10 videos before judging yourself. 4. Focus on titles, thumbnails, and watch time. 5. Repurpose clips for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. 6. Bonus: add AI subtitles to your videos to improve retention. Step 5. Monetization. The real deal. Now comes the part you're waiting for. How do you make money? YouTube AdSense is just one source. You can also earn from 1. Affiliate marketing. Promote tools you're already using. 2. Selling digital products like Notion templates, ebooks, or courses. 3. Sponsorships. Brands pay you to promote their product. 4. YouTube Shorts bonus/brand fund. Some people are earning money before hitting 1,000 subscribers thanks to affiliate links. Let's be honest, most people who watch this video won't take action. They'll just scroll to the next. But if you've made it this far, you're not most people. Drop a comment below and tell me, which part of starting a faceless channel feels hardest to you right now? I'll reply and help you personally. Don't forget to like, subscribe, And if you want to learn how to use AI to create full videos from start to finish, check the link in the description. I've included the exact tools I use and a full step-by-step guide. This might just be the video that changes your life, but only if you take action.